Good day. I am Sharilu Patriarca of BS ECE 3A and this is my output video for ECE 28 Laboratory Activity Number 9, demonstrating the light chaser function of the 74194. I will now demonstrate the 4 LEDs that are arranged linearly, then one bit shall be continuously shifted one position to the right for every 1 second, and will continue doing so.